Is he or she the one for you? Let's just check it through tarot. To connect with the energies, just type 1111 in the comment section. Okay. I can see the Magician card, Page of Cups card, and the Five of Swords card. I can see the person you are currently connected, and you actually want to know that whether this person is your special someone or not. Is it going to be someone who you actually trust and can think about your future? So it's a yes card. I can see that this person is going to be a person who can actually invest their emotions with you. You can actually trust this person. You can actually be like this, that okay, if I am ready, I am seeing this person that you can actually rely on. I can see the Magician card actually shows that you have everything. You have everything on your table. You have this person which can actually be the person you are craving for from the past few years or or from past few months. I can see that this person can actually be the satisfaction which you wanted for your emotions. I can see that this person can be a very emotional person. This person will be trustworthy. This person will be very loyal. He will be very invested with you. I can see that this person will be not very much into maturity, not that mature, but yeah, I can see his heart will be full of love, very pure, and I can see this person have a lot of emotions for you. This person is going to be very gentle, very romantic, and this person also will have some traits, some insecurity because of his past, and some situations might have happened with him or her that he might not able to trust in the relationship as like very soon. But when he will or she will invest with you, I can see this person is can do the world for you. You can see this person will do everything for you. But yeah, I can see little insecurity, little trust issues, little understanding issues for the initial few weeks, but later on this is going to be the perfect relationship. I can sense that from the cards. And yes, I can also see that you can see this person, your peacemaker. This person is going to be the person you can actually rely, will do a lot of efforts for you, and so on. And yeah, and also I can see one more thing which I can see from the Emperor card, that this person will take a lead into your relationship. Like this person will be the person who can actually lead you. This person will take care of you. This person will actually be the bigger person in the relationship. So yeah, this is all I can see, that this person is going to be that perfect person which you always wanted to be in your life. So if you wanted to connect with me for any personal sessions, readings, or any personal questions, just follow me on my Instagram and do connect with me on the given number. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, just keep trusting universe and keep your faith into the universe. Thank you so much.